This is how you install our Jump Log Super Sticker Set. Place the stickers in the sequence and pattern you desire, in this case starting with the movement words. Once you are happy with the layout and pattern, secure each piece in place using painter's tape. Lift, peel, and lower sticker into position. If your sticker has a white mask paper rub, use the hand tool, working from the center towards the edges. Remove tape and peel off any mask paper by gently pulling across the surface, not directly up. Then, using the soft edge of the hand tool, apply strong pressure and rub the entire sticker. If there is no mask paper, lift, peel, and lower sticker into position. Use the soft edge of your application tool to adhere stickers, applying pressure and rubbing sticker from the center towards the edges. You're all done. Please read and follow all written instructions provided and contact us if you have any questions.